I just want to make it very clear, there are more than 70,000 AstraZeneca appointments that are available in state clinics right now. There is, I think, a sense, and it's not a criticism, it's just a sense that I think has grown, that people can wait. People can afford to wait, that they'll get a vaccine of some sort or another down the track. They can get it in a month or two, and that'll be all fine. My message to every Victorian is no, we cannot wait. You need to get vaccinated, and you need to get vaccinated as soon as possible. And the best vaccine is the one that you can access today. I don't have Pfizer for everybody, and it is a long time off before we will have Pfizer for everybody who perhaps wants that. Again, I'll just make the point, 2.6 million doses of AstraZeneca have been administered in our state over the last few months. This is a choice that literally millions of Victorians are making. It is a safe vaccine. It is an effective vaccine. It is the vaccine that is available now, and that means for the vast majority of people, it is the best vaccine right now.
AstraZeneca was forced to admit that its COVID vaccine can cause blood clotting, and that can be lethal.
The world is engaged in the largest clinical trial, the largest global vaccination trial ever, and we will have enormous amounts of data. But what's the message for the public? It's safe, it's effective, it will help protect you.